In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho Projects budgets. We'll walk through a simple flow where you access your project, add a task, and fill in the key information you'll later use for budgeting and tracking work. Even though this process is straightforward, I'll explain what each click means so you understand not just what to do, but why you're doing it. First, start on your Zoho Projects homepage. Look for the main navigation area, usually at the top or on the left side of the screen, and click on Projects. This takes you to the list of all the projects you have access to in your portal. Think of this page as your central hub, where you can quickly jump into any active or archive project. From this list, find the specific project where you want to set up or manage your budgets. When you see it, move your mouse over that project and click on Access Project. This opens the detailed project workspace, where you'll see modules like tasks, milestones, timesheets, and other tools that help you manage the project. Once you're inside the project, go to the task section. This is where you'll break your project down into smaller pieces of work, which is crucial for budgeting accurately. In the tasks area, look for the button or link labeled Add Task and click on it. This will open a new task creation window or panel. Now you'll need to fill in the task details. Start with a clear, descriptive task name so anyone on your team can immediately understand what this task is about. Add a description if you need to provide more context, such as requirements, expectations, or links to resources. Select the appropriate task list or category to keep your project organized. Then set the start date and due date so you can track timelines properly. If your account is configured for effort or cost tracking, this is also where you can enter estimated hours or effort, assign the task to a team member, and, if available, choose the right billing type or rate. Being as accurate as you can here will make your budget reports much more reliable later on. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the details, go ahead and click on Add. This saves the task inside your project. From here, the task can be used in workload reports, timesheets, and budget tracking, giving you better visibility into how your project is performing against your planned work and costs.